In this video, I'll show you how to create a Square invoice. Start by signing into your Square dashboard. From the left menu, click Invoices. Next, click Create Invoice to start a new invoice. Select an existing customer or create a new customer by entering their contact information. After that, add the items or services you want to bill for. Enter the quantity, price, and any applicable discounts or taxes. Review the invoice total to make sure everything is correct. Now choose when the invoice should be sent, set the payment due date, and select the payment methods you want to accept, such as credit or debit cards. Next, add a personalized message or notes if needed, then review all the invoice details before continuing. Finally, click Send to email the invoice to your customer, or choose Save as Draft if you want to send it later. You can track the invoice status from the Invoices section of your Square dashboard. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a Square invoice. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.